I recently saw a video where a woman, she was really pretty and she was twerking. Like, all right, she was making it happen. And the guy said, okay, great. What else do you have? And she's like, what? He's like, yes, that's all nice and good, but what else do you have? Right? There's got to be more. And so not to objectify her and make her a sex object, like she has to bring more to the table. Like she has to show up for her partner. She has to show up for him, just like she's expecting him to show up for her. Like if she doesn't, it's not a relationship. And the thing is that she has needs just like he has needs. I mean, women want sex, they want an orgasm, and I'm just going on the sexual, but they want comfort, they want money, they want food, like all the things you want, he want too. Let him know that you are attracted to him. Let him know that you value him. Let him know that you appreciate him. All those things. Let him know that he look good to you today. I like to tell my husband, oh, you look like you smell good, because so when a guy suit up, everybody puts a cologne, like, oh, you look like you smell good. And that's my way of letting him know, like, I see you and like, I like what I see. And I know I like the compliments he gives. So in turn, give him the compliments. But also, even if we're in a dating relationship, it's never 100%. It's you show up with 100%, I show up with 100%, and then we put it together. And some days I got my 100, I may be able to put 80 out, and then you put 20 out, and but I still have, it's like, if we say 100, that's 50-50 is BS. I need to show up at 100, you need to show up at 100 in order to make this work. And I have 100% of me, and some days I only got 10 to give. Are you committed to a relationship that you bring that 90 that day so that we can move forward like we need to? And just like she is tired, he is tired. And so if he only has 10 today, is she going to sit back and not be on his head and just allow him his space and she show up with 90? And so the answer is, if you're not willing to pour into a guy in all aspects, whatever you're expecting from him, you need to show up for him. If there's anything on the table that you're saying, oh, he's got to do this, and you're not willing to do it, shut it down. Shut it down. Don't ask for anybody something that you're not willing to give. Point blank, period.